guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this double exposure video or photo on CapCut PC. So get like a picture, preferably a video of like you behind like a white background, and add the light behind you so it will create this silhouette effect sort of. Then add in any video that you want. I'm just going to add this one on top, and I'm just going to zoom in as well to the video. Then go to blend mode and choose either the brighten or the screen blend mode, and you'll have this really cool double exposure effect. But again, it will be better if the picture moves, but I can't just find like a type of like video silhouette that only has like a plain background, so this will have to do. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.